What's up, everybody? This is Torrance Davis of Davis Daily, and today I am opening up the Viltrox 85mm prime lens for the Fuji. So I say this is the final infinity stone for my infinity gauntlet, but it really isn't, because there's still one more I need to get. I don't need to get it, but I'm going to get it. So I have a crop sensor camera, and I have a 20, 23, a 35, a 50, and this is an 85. And that equates to 35, 50, 85, 100, basically, if you do the calculations for the full frame equivalent. But those are the lenses you need. If you're a photographer, those are the lenses that you need for your infinity gauntlet, which is your camera. You need, if it's a full frame, you need a 35mm, a 50mm, 85mm, and a 100mm. And if you want to do some, like, I don't know, if you want to shoot some animals or some sports, then I would go up to like a 300 or maybe something in between there, so you can get some range. But yeah, so this is basically going to complete my portrait collection of lenses. And Viltrox makes a really good lens. So I decided to pick this up, got a good deal on it. Let's see here. Here it is. It's a beautiful, absolutely beautiful full metal design here. Okay, it doesn't feel plasticky at all. It's got some weight to it. Look at that. Okay. Comes with the lens hood here. Okay. It's got the insignia on here. I don't know what that means, but I figure it has something to do with the focusing. 85mm 1.8. Okay, there it is. And I'm going to mess around with this. Again, this is about a 100mm full frame equivalent on my camera, but it is a prime lens. It's got a really smooth focus ring, and it's high quality. You're going to get sharper images. If you're going to be a portrait photographer, prime is the way to go. So there it is. And I am going to do a video on these lenses so you understand why you need a 35, a 50, an 85, and 100. Or if you're crop censored, 23, 35, 50, 85. You need those lenses. It covers almost everything in portraits. And the longer the lens, the better your portraits look. And I'll explain all of that in the next video I do about camera lenses. I'm going to do a camera lens video for you guys. So just so you understand how important the 85 is. Some would argue that the 50 is the most important lens you'll have, the nifty 50. But as I shoot more and more and more, something like an 85 becomes a really important thing to have in your arsenal. You just got to have it. So I will see you guys on the next video. Peace out.